2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.